Okay, here's the deal. We're going to call this video Puppy Heaven. My wife goes out and feeds the rabbits carrots, and our dogs love to chase them. They've been locked in the, not locked in, but in the garage all night. And I use a whistle to kind of let the rabbits know that the dogs are coming. It's yard time for the dogs. Here we go. There they go. There's the hopping. There's the hopping. Yeah, that's happiness. They never catch them. Although they're looking. There may be one behind the house. Something's going on. Again, they never catch them.